You ask, I delivered. In our previous tutorial where we talked about how to cut a pant trouser with a turn-up hem, I noticed in the comment section that many are asking that I should make another tutorial on how to do the turn-up hem. In this discussion, we are going to cover that. Welcome to the Needlemeister channel. I am Olabanjo Isaiah. You will recall in the tutorial, we added 4.5 inches to the hem of the pant. First, let's use 2.5 inches of it. Let's lace this with eme gum. To take care of the excess here, first we are going to heat it with iron again and open it. Then we will pull it. Then brush it with iron. You see? Now we are going to sew this round. Now let's go use the remaining 2 inches of it. If you have not watched the tutorial video of how to cut the pants, we are doing it continuation here. Please click the link at the top of your screen right now to go watch the tutorial. Ensure that the seam lines perfectly align when doing your turn-up place. Very, very important. So now we are going to measure to round it. I'm very sure you know that even without this bed that I'm using for the turn up, you can still have this done on your plain table. Thank you very much. Lest I forgot, my people, if you want to join our Telegram group, you can check link in the description box below. Also, our Telegram and WhatsApp channel link is there. There I do post updates about new tutorial and what you should expect next. And also my Facebook page, guys, please, I really need your support on that Facebook page. I lost my previous page to a scammer last year. I recently opened new one though, and following has not been that much. Please help me click on my Facebook page link and go give me a follow there. Please, I beg, Joe. I really need your support on that Facebook page. Honestly speaking, please. Thank you. Now with Eme gum at the same line, we are going to secure this. Here you need a very small length of stitches directly on the same line. Here you are not expected to use your pedal. With your hand you can roll the wheel of your machine and repeat a very short length of stitches over and over, like I'm doing right now. Talking about likes and comments, I must tell you guys for free that on my last tutorial, the turn up was massive and I so much appreciate it. Please, I want you guys to keep the same energy on this video. If you have not liked this video so far, please hit the like button now. Let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section, and maybe you have something in mind that you want us to talk about on this channel. Check the description box for our Telegram group link. Join there and drop the picture there. My WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel, their links are also in the comment section. My Instagram page also, guys, it's also fresh and new. I want your support there too, please. Thank you all. So this is how to turn up the hem of your pants. I hope you've learned something new today. Thank you all for the precious time you spared to watch the tutorial to the end. I appreciate you. Thank you very much.